I tak ada masa untuk dikejar. I duduk rumah je. I want to meet up with my husband Insyaallah, kalau diizinkan Allah.
InsyaAllah.
He is a very very nice person. Dia baca Quran 2 kali, dia tahu lebih daripada Mama. Mama jumpa dia 20 tahun dulu. The first thing I give is the Quran translation. That is what I want to do. Life is not easy. Allah tu bagi apa yang Mama nak, tapi 2 bulan saja. Mama kena terima. Takkan Mama nak soal Tuhan pula kan? Nak Tuhan Allah. Ada sebab-sebab. He's the most nicest man yang di bibir dia tu selalu Assalamualaikum. Pagi Assalamualaikum. Jadi bila Mama pergi kubur dia, I go every year. I'm going after the concert. I'm going. The first thing I do, Assalamualaikum. Tak pernah tak cakap Assalamualaikum.
Sampai sekarang Mama masih
I have his voice note on my phone. Ada one time tu nak delete semua. Tak pegang nak delete, but I don't think if I delete I can't hear him anymore. So I keep it.
So you dengar hari-hari?
Tak ada. Bila it hurts me to hear that. But when I miss him so much, bila lepas solat Mama, dia baik, orang baik. Kita menikah dengan dia bukan kerana fizikal. Dia kanser, dia dah merebak ke lungs, ke prostate, ke segalanya. So this is true to me. It's true love for me because holding his hand, walking with him to the hospital for his chemo and his radiation since I got married, Monday to Friday, and watching Mr. Bean. Now I cannot watch Mr. Bean. Sebelum dia makan morphine dia, dia kata let's watch. Then dia kata Anya, the pain is coming. Then I have to give his medication. Dia tidur. That is love. It's a very expensive, kata orang, expensive lesson that I learned about love.